Welcome to JC Palms YouTube channel. I am George. Today I am discuss about farming ideas which are most required today. This is the most potential business of the future and people can do this. Number 1 is a dairy farm. Number 2, goat farm. Number 3, poultry farm. Number 4, pig farms. And number 5 is vegetable and fruits. In dairy farm, one can have crossbreed cows and indigenous cows and buffaloes. There are different requirement for the milk for many purposes, even for drinking and other restaurant and hotel consumption, as well as feed factory. So people can make many products, value added products from the milk. And from the goat farming, all the female goats will be for the breeding and male for the meat purpose and other as a Eid sacrifice animals. People can make good returns out of it. Number 3, poultry farming. In poultry farming, they can have broiler farm and local poultry as well as duck farm, etc. And details will be about this farming will be given in the future videos also. Number 4 will be pig farm, and growing demand for the pig meat all over the world. It will encourage everyone to come into the pig farming and there will be good returns. And the last, 5th, is the vegetable and fruit farming. In vegetables, one can make money very fast with the leaf vegetables, which will grow within 15 days and they can sell it in 15 days and recover some money fast. Fruit farming, it will take now best fruit trees are available and they can get the yield in less than a year's time. Anyone who is interested in making the dairy farm, they can start in a mini dairy having around 10 cows and good quality of the cows. That will be 6 will be yielding, 4 will be dry, and in rotation they will get milk from 6 cows. And the investment will be as big as around 5 to 6 lakhs. They can start. And the people who really want to start the dairy farm, they should not invest more money in the shed construction, rather than they buy a better cows or better animals in general. So that will give them a good return as well as good training for them. And anybody want to start this dairy farm, they should visit few places. They should not get carried away with many stories. They should visit the places, dairy farms, how they are working, and they should learn for at least for 1 month with them, stay with them, and that will be the success for the beginner dairy farmer. As a beginner, can buy HF cows, that means Holstein Friesian cows, and these cows can give good quantity of milk from say 15 liters up to 45 liters also, but that depend upon the person how they take care of them. The cows are not something that forever they will give milk automatically. Now suppose the big cow need good feeding and continuously keeping the track on them, and anybody want to be with the animals, he should have the liking towards the animals. So automatically the cows also will like him and they will be happy and they will release more milk and you will be in profit. Second, one can have indigenous Indian breed cows. Those cows are very good quality and they give A2 milk and fat protein percentage also higher. But you cannot compare these cows with HF cows. If the HF cow gives 65 liter milk, these cows will give 30 liters or 25 liters milk. But the thickness of the milk is much better than the HF cows. I am not against any cows, but one should select the cows according to his area. For example, some hot climate, Jersey cows are good, or there is Tharparkar or Red Sindhi, they will not have problems with the temperature and humidity. Sometimes HF cows, since they are the foreign breed, they are accustomed to the cold climate, they are made in the cold climate. So when they come to the humid weather, they need extra care. So gradually, as they go with the cows in the dairy business, the people will come to know about the trade, and they themselves will become perfect automatically. In the dairy farm system, you need around 6 by 8 place inside the shed, and you need around double the space in the yard. So for the cows to just to roam around and relaxation, because cows cannot stand forever inside the shed. Sometimes they need basic exercise, and they should be left free for some time, and they should not be tied up 24 hours, and they will release the stress by going outside, and that happy cow will give a better milk. About the dairy shed construction, first when somebody is going, he can have a grass roof covered with the plastic is enough. Once they start earning the money, they will have the capacity to finance the better shed. But initially, cows don't need a palace to stay. They need a simple living, but they need a good feeding and good other managements, such as drinking water and other grass. So they will be happy and they will give a good quantity of milk. Once you make money out of the cows and from the milk, then you can have a beautiful construction from your own money. One should not borrow money for the construction of the sheds. They can borrow money for the cows, and cows will become free. Each cow will become free at the first lactation if they give proper milk. In goats, there are two types of breeds. One is called milk breed and one is meat breed. And some of the goats are dual breed. They can be used for milk as well as the meat. So one can decide the goats which are available in his own area. Once he gets the practice, then he can go for the better big breeds from distance. The neighbor breeds or nearby breeds, when you buy, maybe they are local breeds, but automatically the person will get trained with them and he will understand many things about the goats. And goats' requirement is minimum. They don't need a very high-fi shed. They can be raised anywhere, only simple grass roof, and only it need better cleaning and better management of the fodder and vaccination. And they should be safe from the other animals. Many animals might attack them. So they are very fearful animals. So we have to care about the protection of that. In poultry, there is broiler, local, and Kadaknath, or duck and other thing, turkey, etc. can be done. But initially, one person should not start with a large quantity. They can start with minimum of backyard farming of poultry, local poultry. If they start from 40 to 50 birds, and marketing will not be a problem. He will learn marketing also automatically. Demand will come, people will come. Today, most of the people, they like local poultry meat, and they will give the eggs, and always there will be a good profit out of him because there is scarcity of local poultry most of the places. Next, you can have Kadaknath. This is, people have got a different beliefs. This poultry meat is sold for a premium value, and there is always buyers, and one can go for it. Next comes to turkey and ducks. Turkey, it is a December bird. So in the December month, most of the demand for turkey increases, and December to New Year. So whatever is grown in the whole year can be finished within this period. And in the duck farming, duck is very easy to rear. They can be for the eggs, for consumption of human as well as for the hatching eggs. There is demand for this, and one can make money. In the pig farming, people should not think that the pig is a dirty animal. Those days are over. Now pig is a farmed animal, and one should not start with the wastage only. They can start out of the normal feed which is available, and once they get trained, they can do the feed themselves, and they will make more profit out of it. And in the pigs, there are many breeds. So according to their area, they can start with minimum 10 pigs, and slowly the pig can breed up to 18 piglets and twice a year. So growth rate is very high and people can make money. They should be always vaccinated animal and they should keep it clean, and there is no other work to do in the pig farm. In fish farming, there are three systems. One is called pond fish, another one is biofloc, and RAS system. In the pond, you can have fish, but it should be controlled because many wild animals or like snakes or any other items, they can come and kill the fish for their food. And biofloc system is the very controlled system so that nothing can happen and it is very safe, and you can have organic fish, and most of the people like that, and you can sell live fish. And in RAS system, what you are growing in 100 acres of land in pond, we can grow in 1 acre. There is a huge potential for RAS system, but it is little expensive project, and one can have enough money and invest and he will recover. And this fish is also organic fish and people like it, and it is free from all the orders, and while cooking also there won't be any orders, and it is very tasty. RAS system will have a good quality of fish 24/7. Vegetable and fruits will be a byproduct from the other farms. All the other farm manure and other wastage things will be used for the vegetable garden, and people can make quick money out of it. Some type of leaf vegetables can be sold within 15 days of seeding, so that they can make the money more faster, and this will help them for the day-to-day expenses maintaining the other farms. And there is not having any problem. They should have little water, and all the wastewater from the other, for example like dairy or poultry or anywhere, that can be stored and used for the vegetables. And fruit farming, now there are fruit trees available which can give the fruits very fast, less than a year. So one can go for it. In general, in vegetables, there are many leaf vegetables. Seeds are always available. According to the area they can grow and depend upon the water availability. And once they grow vegetables, like after the leaf vegetables, they can make like a lady's finger or long beans, small beans, carrot or other things. Like they can do the ginger cultivation, they can make banana cultivation and many more varieties. Even in the fruits, like hybrid mangoes are there and other fruits are there, lemon and many more items are there, and plants are available now throughout the places, and they can make money. Do subscribe this channel and send your comments to the comment box, and share this video to your friends, and all the comments, suggestions will be answered in the future videos. You can contact on WhatsApp number 0091 99 00 77 0033 or email jerscyind@gmail.com.